Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Today I am doing an experiment, something I've not done before, so we'll see how it goes. I am going to be cooking some chickpeas along with some onions, garlic, plum tomatoes, some fresh beautiful thyme from the garden, and I think I'm going to also add a little lemon juice and some saffron threads to this. And it sounds like it's going to turn out good, but let's give it a try and see how it goes. First, I'm going to melt some butter in some extra virgin olive oil on high heat. Then I add my onions. I lower the heat to medium-high before I add the garlic, just to prevent any burning that might occur, because if the garlic burns, it's going to be a little bitter. I'm sauteing the onions and garlic together for a couple minutes before I add my plum tomatoes. I've added the chopped plum tomatoes, so I'm just going to let this all cook together and saute for a few minutes. I do want the tomatoes to tenderize a bit before I add my chickpeas. I think this looks about right, so now I'm going to add my chickpeas to the pot. Next, I add a few saffron threads to the pot. And I added some of that beautiful thyme that I just picked from the garden. I'm going to let everything cook together because I really want the flavors to everything to just get blended, and then taste it before I add any salt or pepper. I just tasted it and I found that it needed a touch of kosher salt, and I also added some coarse ground black pepper. I lowered my heat to medium because I want the chickpeas to get a little tender through the cooking process. You'll want to keep stirring your pot to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan or any kind of burning that may occur. So once you've reduced your heat, you do need to still keep stirring it occasionally. And this is looking good. I think it's getting to the point where I believe it is done. So here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today, and it does look like a stew, so I guess I'm going to be calling this one chickpea stew, Caribbean style. After I take it off the heat, I'm just going to squeeze a few drops of lemon juice all over, and then I'm going to stir that up to incorporate that flavor into the chickpea stew. I'm going to give it another quick taste here. That is really delicious. Good experiment. Turned out well. I just dished up my chickpea stew and garnished it with a little more fresh thyme. You know what? I think this is going to taste really good with some roti.